I'm gonna go ahead and get started here. We're about 5 past. If enough people trickle in, um, I might just restart so they can catch up. But kind of the main point of the live demos is just to showcase Smart Action's capabilities in the intelligent voice automation like system industry. So Smart Action, if you're unfamiliar, has been around for about 14 years now. So we've been in the industry a while, I guess you could say, and relative to other companies. We've worked in multiple different industries. So everything from scheduling, and scheduling goes across pretty much every single industry. So today I will be doing a scheduling for a automotive company. We do retail, so order returns, order status, insurance calls, claims, first notice of losses, things like that. Also, food ordering. So pretty much anything you can think of where you're having a human talk to human, that's where we will, try to find a use case for these virtual agents. So today, as you probably saw by the title, I will be doing a live demo for scheduling an appointment with like a automotive service, so automotive repair shop, if you will. We've all done it, so they're usually pretty easy interactions. Just kind of pay attention to the conversational aspect of the demo, understand how natural it might sound, and just think about if you were to go through this, would you enjoy it, or would you maybe scream at it and tell it to transfer you to a live agent like a lot of us have done. But that's one of the issues we're trying to solve here is we're trying to make this so any customer that calls in, is willing and happy to self-serve through one of these voice agents, so intelligent voice agents. Two of the big companies we do work with in the automotive industry are Hyundai and AAA currently. Hyundai, we do all of their recalls. So if you ever called in, if you have a Hyundai car and you call in and or you get a voicemail or a text that says, hey, you can call in for recall, we automatically do that for them. And then AAA, we also do emergency roadside assistance. But without further ado, I'll just call into this demo. I'm going to put it on speakerphone. Hopefully y'all are able to hear it very clearly. If not, I kind of put a note in the chat there, and I can try calling in again. But sometimes I have had issues. So if worst case scenario, I'll just do a recording myself and then send that out to everyone. But this recording will also be on our website that you can go and visit anytime. So I'll call in right now. Enjoy. And afterwards, obviously, any questions?
Welcome to Smart Action Auto Repair. How may I help you today?
I'm trying to schedule an appointment.
Got it. I just need to collect some information and then we can schedule an appointment. So, what service do you need done for your car?
Just trying to get an emissions test done.
An emissions test. Got it. Can I have your first name, please?
It's David.
Nice to meet you, David. What year is your car?
It's a 2020.
Thanks. And what is the make and model of your vehicle?
It's a Toyota Highlander.
Thanks. It looks like there is availability tomorrow. Are you able to drop your car off then?
No, I'm out of town right now.
That's fine. What day works best for you?
Monday would be great if possible.
Monday, August 1st works for us. Should I schedule you for then?
Yes, please.
Your appointment has been booked for Monday, August 1st. Feel free to drop your car off at any time and leave the keys to your Toyota Highlander in the drop box located up front. We will call you when we are finished with the emissions test. Have a great day. Goodbye.
And that's it, short and sweet. It does send an automatic text message. Hopefully you can see this clearly. So it has name, region, car, appointment date. I know it's backwards, I'm sorry, but it just showcases the ability of our virtual agent to actually capture all that information. A lot of companies use those outbound texts to set appointment reminders, and you can kind of schedule those whenever you want, whether it be a week before, a day before, however you want that done, we can work with you on that. So are there any questions? Going once, going twice. Oh, here we go. So Gene, you're asking, what was the process to distinguish who you were before scheduling the appointment? If I understand that correctly, distinguish who you were before scheduling the appointment. It asked my name, and that was just for the appointment itself. So that way, when I come in, it'll know, I made that appointment myself. In terms of identifying a caller that you might already have in your system or recognize, we can do caller ID and just look up that number. And if you have that number in your system associated with someone that has an account, we can pull up all the information as well. So we can do personalized greetings, and we do that a lot for current customers. Gotcha. Anonymous attendee is asking, which voice engine does Smart Action use? So we use the top of the breed technology. We use Microsoft and Google. So we use Google's ASR engine to capture the voice and convert it into text. And then we have, for the voices you heard, that was a Microsoft Neural voice. So that kind of very human sounding voice that's for the market right now. So we use those just because obviously they're really good at that. And then we have our own proprietary kind of software in the background that helps kind of filter through some of those larger intents and then really narrow down and understand what you're saying. Yes, Nelson, I can see this. And then which languages? We do pretty much any language. So our engine does support all languages. Rule of thumb, we like to start off in English. So that way we understand the flow. And I understand it might change from like country to country based on language, but we always start off in English. And then if needed, we'll just change that to a different language. Okay, and then Raj, you want to talk after this call? So yes, I am. So my role as a solutions engineer, I can talk with you. I would also have a two sales executive, Marilyn Cassidy and Toby Heskin. So can you put your email in here, please, Raj? Thank you. I'm just copying his email real quick. Okay, it doesn't want to work. John, I'm going to enter a question in a second. I'm just writing this email down. Okay, John, you're asking, is the dialogue jointly developed with the client? Yes, it is. So during the design process of working with us, we work with you on how things want to be said, when they want to be said, what questions you want asked, and it's very quick and easy. And a lot of people ask, well, how easy is it to change afterwards? Let's say, during Christmas or during a holiday or during bad weather, you need to add dialogue in there. That you just reach out to our customer success representatives and they will get that change for you immediately. What's your pricing model? Anonymous attendee. So anonymous attendee, if you have an email, we can email you like a pricing structure, what that looks like, or we can just set up another meeting and talk about that as well. Then Gene, you build an integration with an auto industry dealership. So we do integrations with all CRMs. So, off the shelf CRMs are definitely easier because they're built to connect to things like virtual agents. We have worked with homegrown systems as well. That usually just takes a little bit more work, making sure there are APIs available that we can connect with. And obviously, we need all the information in order to make this call fluid and so that we understand also who the caller might be. So yeah, any CRM we can work with. Okay. And I will send you over email as well. Yeah, and I'll introduce you guys to Marilyn. Toby's out of office right now. I'll introduce you to Marilyn. I'll tag Toby on there as well, and they'll be happy to set up a meeting with you guys and talk about pricing, um, kind of what your journey looks like with Smart Action, all that stuff. And then on top of that, they'll talk about it with you as well. But we do custom build demos. So kind of like a third of the way in with that journey with us, if you need that to help sell or you just want an idea of what that might sound like for your company, we do build those for you. And I'm one of the main builders. So the demo today I built just for this live demonstration. Any other use cases you can show now? Any you have in mind? I'd have to look for some numbers. Or we can just, I'm going to send you, wait, I didn't get your email. It just says anonymous. So anonymous attendee. I don't know how to get your information. Can you please put your email in the chat? Any other questions or anonymous attendee? If you want to put your email in here, we can reach out and show you other demos as well. All right, and then I don't know if you saw it on the invite, but we do have a number you can call into that you can actually experience this for yourself, and you'll be able to schedule an appointment with us. I will still send all of you emails out, but I'm going to put this number in the chat. Actually, at first I'll tell it to you. So if you're ready, it is 442 201 3050. I'm going to try to type that in here as well. 442 212. Okay. Yeah, I'll repeat it. I thought I just typed it in the chat, but I don't know where it went. So it is 442 201 3050. Does everybody have that? All right. Well, I appreciate all of you joining in today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope maybe you learned something. I'll send out those emails. Feel free to give that number a call and schedule an appointment with us. But other than that, I hope you all have a good day. Thank you.